Good morning, student. Today we will continue our chapter perimeter and area. And now your example number 4th. There is a room measure 12 meter multiply by 90 meter. It means एक room की dimension हमें दे रखी है 12 meter multiply by 9 meter. We can say that this is denoted by length and this one denoted by breadth. The floor of the room is to be covered by marble tiles measuring by 45 centimeter by 30 centimeter. It means it is a length of tile and it is a breadth of tile. How many tiles are needed? It means एक room है, floor, हम tiles कहाँ लगा रहे हैं? We are putting the tiles at the floor. तो what is the, firstly find out what is the area of the floor, कि floor का क्या area है? Because see, this one is floor, तो हम tiles क्या करेंगे? इसका complete amount जो भी होगा रूम का वो उसको कवर करेगा. तो इट मीन्स हाउ मेनी टाइल्स, कि इस रूम को कवर करने के लिए कितनी टाइल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर, कि फ्लोर का एरिया क्या है. दैट इज डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. वन टाइल अगर इतना अमाउंट लेती है उस स्पेस का, उस एरिया का, तो कितने नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स लगाए हम जिससे कि ये पूरा एरिया कवर हो जाए. तो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट दिस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्टली वी कैन से राइट डाउन डायमेंशंस ऑफ फ्लोर. इट मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ फ्लोर इज इक्वल टू 12 मीटर. breadth of floor is equal to 9 meter. And what is the area of floor? Area of floor, this is in rectangle. Length and breadth is given to you. It means it is in rectangular shape. And area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. That is equal to 12 multiplied by 9 square meter. You can see that dimensions of tiles given into you centimeter. Then it's your wish, you can change this one in centimeter. That we can write down 1200 multiplied by 900 square centimeter. Similar way we can write down area of one tile. Area of one tile also length into breadth. Tile is also in rectangular shape because separately length and breadth given to you. It means it is equal to 45 into 30 square centimeter. We want to find out the number of tiles. Then number of tiles formula become area of floor. हमने फ्लोर पर टाइल्स लगाई है तो एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर डिवाइड बाय एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर, फ्लोर का एरिया कितना है 1200 मल्टीप्लाई 900 and this one is 45 multiplied by 30. 45 2s are 90, 20 cancel out, 3 4s are 12, 400, that is 800. It means number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room 800 tiles. Okay student, now we will proceed to for the exercise 14a. Yes, in the last lecture we discussed about the perimeter and area formulas and today we are applying these formulas. Perimeter of rectangle twice of length plus breadth. Perimeter of square 4 multiplied by side. Similarly, in general way we can say perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Area of rectangle length multiplied by breadth. Area of square side multiplied by side. Now see the question. Question number first, copy and complete the following table. You can do this. Length given to you, breadth find out, area given to you. So area is equal to, breadth is equal to area upon length. This type you can solve it first question. Second question, find the area of the perimeter of square. In square side is given to you, then how to find out the area? Side multiply by side, then you can find out the area of this. Find the perimeter of the following squares. In this, your question is find the perimeter of following squares. it is given to you that area is equal to, area of square is equal to 64 square centimeter. So see area ऑफ स्क्वायर क्या होता है, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर होता है साइड स्क्वायर. तो अगर हमें साइड फाइंड आउट करनी है देन साइड इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू रूट 64. रूट 64 इज इक्वल टू 8 centimeter. Now after finding the side we can find out perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, that is equal to 4 into 8 is equal to 32 centimeter. So this time we will find out, if area is given to you then we can find out the perimeter also. For this firstly we have to find out the side, then we can find out the perimeter. Okay, see the question number 4, also same perimeter now given to you and find its area. It means from perimeter firstly we find out the side, then we find out the area. Okay, now see question number 5. In question number 5 it is given to you a metal pipe measuring 32 centimeter by 12 centimeter is cut up into small squares of side length 4 centimeter. How many squares will be cut? This question is similar to example number 4. इसमें क्या दे रखा है तुम्हें, एक मेटल पाइप है रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में, whose 32 centimeter and 12 centimeter dimension given to you. उसको कट किया जा रहा है स्क्वायर में, मीन्स इसका एक पार्ट ये कर दिया 4 सेंटीमीटर 4 सेंटीमीटर, देन दिस सेकेंड पार्ट दिस, तो स्क्वायर्स में कट किया जा रहा है. तो वो ये पूछ रहा है in this question asking that how many squares we can cut from this metal pipe, from this surface how many squares we can cut. So we can write down that number of squares is equal to area of metal pipe divided by area of one square. The area of metal pipe, this is in rectangular shape, it means length into breadth, area of square, side square. 4 8s are 32, 4 3s are 12, then 8 3s are 24. It means we can cut 24 number of squares from it. Okay, this time we can find out any numbers. Yes, now see the next question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 is which of the following has a larger area and by how much? इनमें से किसका एरिया लार्जर है और by how much? Your question is a rectangle of length, a rectangle of length 24 centimeter and breadth 17 centimeter, or a square of side 12 21 सेंटीमीटर। हमारे पास एक तो रेक्टेंगल है जिसकी लेंथ 24, ब्रेड्थ 17। एक हमारे पास स्क्वायर है जिसकी साइड है 21 सेंटीमीटर। तो एरिया ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल वी नो दैट लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेड्थ। 17 4 जा 68, 6 कैरी, 17 2 जा 34, 34 और 6 40 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर। सॉरी, एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर is equal to side into side, that is equal to 441 centimeter square. Then which one area is larger? Rectangle area larger or square area larger? Obviously we can see there square area larger. By how much? It means what we can do, that subtract larger area minus smaller area. 33 square centimeter. Okay, now see the next. Yes, see question 10. Two plots of land have same perimeter. टू प्लॉट्स ऑफ लैंड, लैंड के दो प्लॉट है, उनका पैरीमीटर सेम है, मीन्स पैरीमीटर P, here also P. वन इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ साइड 60 मीटर, ये 60 मीटर साइड का स्क्वायर है, while the other is rectangle whose breadth is 1.5 decimeter. Rectangle, sorry, decameter. Which plot has the greater area and how much? Which plot has the greater area? इन दोनों में से किसका एरिया ग्रेटर है and by how much? कितने से? Okay, firstly see, इसका perimeter of square है 60 मीटर, sorry, perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. In this we are using decameter, तो ये ध्यान रखना, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. In this question it is given to you perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. तो perimeter of square क्या होता है, 4 multiply by side, और perimeter of rectangle twice of length plus breadth. तो 4 into side, हमें perimeter of square, side of square पता है, 4 into 60 is equal to 2 multiply 1.5 decameter, it means 1.5 into 10, that is the 15 meter. Length we don't know, but breadth 15 meter. Now solve this equation. 4 multiplied by 60, we can divide by 2 is equal to L plus 15. 2 2s are 4, then it becomes 120 L plus 15, then length is equal to 120 minus 15, that is 115 meter. Now your question is, which plot has the greater area and by how much? Same question as we solved the last one. We can find out the area of this square, that is 60 multiplied by 60. Then we can find out the area of this rectangle, that is 115 multiplied by 15. Then you can compare which one area is greater and for how much. How to find out? Greater area minus smaller area. Now see the MCQs. Question number 11. The perimeter of a square is 48 centimeter. हमें क्या given है? Perimeter of a square is equal to 48 centimeter. The area of a rectangle, the area of rectangle is मतलब equal 4 centimeter square less than the area of the square. इसका मतलब area of square minus 4 centimeter square. It is given to you area of rectangle is इसका मतलब equal sign 4 less than, it means we will do minus 4 something. Whose 4 less than? Area of square. If length of rectangle is equal to 14 centimeter, then find perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a square is equal to 48 centimeter. Area of rectangle is equal to area of square minus this. Now see, perimeter of a square, from this we can find out the side of a square, because perimeter of square formula is 4 multiplied by side, that is equal to 48. It means side is equal to 48 divided by 4, that is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now we need area of square. So area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, that is 144 centimeter square. Put here area of rectangle is equal to area of square 144 minus 4, that is equal to 140 centimeter square. Formula of area of rectangle, length multiplied by breadth is equal to 140 centimeter square. Length given to you 14 multiplied by breadth is equal to 140 centimeter square. Breadth is equal to 140 divided by 14, that is equal to 10 centimeter. So this time we can find out the breadth of a rectangle. In this question given to you perimeter. Then perimeter of a square, from this we can find out the perimeter, area of square. Firstly side, then area. Now one relation is given to you that area of rectangle is matlab equal 4 less than means minus 4 area of square. Then now solve it, then put the value of this thing and solve this and find out the breadth of a rectangle. Next MCQ, see now. The area of a rectangle is 360 centimeter square. It is given to you area of rectangle is equal to 360 centimeter square, which is equal to the 90%, which is equal to the, it means area of rectangle is equal to the 90% area of square. Then its perimeter is, see, it is given to you 360 is equal to 90%, means 90 by 100 multiplied by area of square. Then after solving this, you can find out 360 multiplied by 100 divided by 90, 9 4s are 36 is equal to area of square. That is equal to 400 centimeter square is equal to area of square. Then side of a square becomes square root of area is equal to root 400 is equal to 20 centimeter. Then perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 is equal to 80 centimeter. So your option, okay, only asking each side of the square. So your answer, this one, 20 centimeter. So what is, which option is correct? That is the option A is correct. So you can do all the questions of this chapter. There are 4 MCQs and 1 hot order questions. HOTS. So now you can do complete your 14A exercise. Okay student, in the next we will discuss about the 14B questions, 14B exercise related questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.